Internal PC communication failing because of the Wabimp Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Follow me for a safe, engineered fix. As we get into the manual process for Wabimp Library, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Wabimp Library, the Windows address book, WAB Import Library, a legacy unmanaged module that manages the localized migration and localized importing of contact data links between localized legacy mail clients and the Windows shell. Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process. Wabimp is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Wabimp Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing Wabimp Library DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. To support a stable Windows environment, the suggested maintenance tool below includes Wabimp Library Guidance. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Wabimp Library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.